Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a question from the topic of price indices in the subject of economics A levels. The statement of the question is: suppose the average consumer divides up his expenditure between the bread, meat, milk, and cigarette in the ratio 4 ratio 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Second part, during the course of the year, the price of the bread falls by 10%, while that of the meat rises by 20%, and those of the milk and cigarette both increased by 10% each. Taking the beginning of the year as the base, average prices during the year have risen by. This question requires us to calculate the weighted index or the weighted average change in the prices based on how much the consumer spent on each item. So the ratio of the expenditure given in the question is 4 is bread, meat 3, milk 2, and cigarette 1. So total weight will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be equal to 10. Now we will multiply the weight of each good by its percentage change in the price. So weights will be multiplied by the change in the price. So 4 multiplied by minus 10 will be equal to minus 40. 3 multiplied by 20% will be equal to 3 multiplied by 20 will be equal to 60. 2 into plus 10 will be equal to 20, and 1 into 10 will be equal to plus 10. So the total weighted change is minus 40 plus 60 plus 20 plus 10 will be equal to plus 50. And finally, the formula for the average price rise will be equal to total weighted change over total weights. So total weighted change is plus 50 and total weights are 10. So after solving it on the calculator, answer is 5%. Thank you so much.